Let me put y'all on game real quick. You get the strawberry refresher, you get light ice, and then you add 6 scoops of strawberry. You get this nice red with the water. Don't get the lemonade because the lemonade make it kind of sweet. So you gotta get the water in it. Perfect. Perfect. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing some travel mods to the Audi, and we starting off with this nice little roof rack right here. So we're gonna go back to the crib, get this put on, and I got the box, the big ass box. So it's gonna be one whole video. I'm not gonna separate into 2 videos because who wants to see how to put a cargo box or the racks? Who wants to see how to put that on for 3-4 minutes, whatever. So I'm gonna make it into one video. It's gonna be 2 days, one video, and we're gonna make the Audi a travel car because we're gonna be moving across the country, and we're gonna need some space in this car because, as you can see, the Audi don't got no space. Okay, so I picked up this. Wow, your boy, I'm kind of getting over a sickness. I know I don't got Rona, but I picked up this cargo rack box thing. This is only the rack itself. The box is coming Monday, and it is very windy outside. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to, I violated the Starbucks, by the way. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to record outside because it is type windy, but I'm gonna try and make it do. This is the bar itself. The feet are actually in a separate container or a separate package. Yeah, so these are the feet. How the hell do you put this shit on? I gotta read the instructions. All right, so we were able to get the first one on. I don't know why, but this shit took way longer than it was supposed to. I guess the instructions were a little bit confusing, but we got it on, and now we can focus on the back, and then once that's on, all we gotta do is wait for our rack or our cargo box. Both sides looking even, so we good. Hey, we got both sides on. This actually looks really nice. The silver matched with the silver. Really nice, really good stuff. It actually took a lot longer than expected, but I'm not tripping about it. We got it on, it's good to go. And now we just wait for our cargo box. It is the next day. Like mentioned, we got the roof rack on, and the truck driver just dropped off this big ass box, and we're gonna have to throw this shit on because there's no way I can carry this upstairs without any help. So let's get this thing opened and see what we're talking about. That's a big ass piece. I don't see any keys for it. So I ended up going with the XT Sport from Tool. As you can see, it's like massive. So good thing I did go with the Sport. It's the smallest one they have, and should fit well. So as you can see, we got it on. Super simple. It's way easier than the fucking rack itself, but it's pretty large. Like, this is the smallest size in the Sport or in the XT, but here's a little diagram. So this is what I have. I have the Sport version, and then there's large, extra large, and then extra, extra large. So clearly this is the smallest one. It holds the least amount of stuff. But for what it looks like, this thing is huge. Maybe it's because the car is small, but we are now ready for our off-road journey. And cool, good, we're ready. Bro, I really might be addicted to Starbucks. Starbucks is so fucking good, yo. You have no idea, yeah. But I'm telling you, you got to get the 6 scoops of strawberries. You get the 6 scoops, you get to eat it. I'm telling y'all, that shit is worth it. But we found a brother. We found a tool brother. 1 tool boy, 2 tool boy. It's lit. I think that's the large one. The same model though. I fuck with that heavy. Oh my God, I'm choking. Pause. I fuck with that heavy. That shit looks so nice. All right, y'all, as you can see, it's a little bit darker out, but I love this shit. It looks fire. The OEM brakes, front lip, the side arrow, cargo box. I balled out on this shit, man. Oh wow, still got some blue. Let's get that, whatever. Get it off later. I balled out on this shit. The box itself was 6 and some change. The bars itself was 100 and some change. It's an expensive thing, but I'm gonna be using it for my crossroad journey. But I don't even think, let me see.
Your boy a travel daddy now. Let's get this key cracking real quick. I haven't thrown anything in it yet, but there is a bunch of space. I think it's like 70 something feet of space. So I'm definitely going to be using that. I would like to get my key out, but I guess not. Yeah, I fucked with this. This is hard body. Yo, no joke, I've always wanted a roof rack, so now that I finally have one and it all like ties together perfectly, I'm like super hyped. I get to fit mad shit in there, mad stuff. It's lit, super lit.